Welcome to Education Hub.
A. A is for alligator.
A. A is for alligator.
B. B is for bat.
B. B is for bat.
C. C is for cat.
C. C is for cat.
D. D is for dog.
D. D is for dog.
E. E is for elephant.
E. E is for elephant.
F. F is for frog.
F. F is for frog.
G. G is for goat.
G. G is for goat.
H. H is for hen.
H. H is for hen.
I. I is for iguana.
I. I is for iguana.
J. J is for jackal.
J. J is for jackal.
K. K is for kangaroo.
K. K is for kangaroo.
L. L is for lion.
L. L is for lion.
M. M is for monkey.
M. M is for monkey.
N. N is for narwhal.
N. N is for narwhal.
O. O is for owl.
O. O is for owl. P. P is for peacock.
peacock.
P. P is for peacock.
Q. Q is for quail.
Q. Q is for quail.
R. R is for rat.
R. R is for rat.
S. S is for snake.
S. S is for snake.
T. T is for tiger.
T. T is for tiger.
U. U is for unicorn.
U. U is for unicorn.
V. V is for vulture.
V. V is for vulture.
W. W is for whale.
W. W is for whale.
X. X is for xenops.
X. X is for xenops.
Y. Y is for yak.
Y. Y is for yak.
Z. Z is for zebra.
Z. Z is for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Please subscribe our channel for